Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some more amazing tool deals to share with you. We got about 20 deals to go through. I have them all linked down below. But also, I wanted to point out, last week was Amazon Prime Day. And with Prime Day, you get a huge boost in sales on Amazon. So that means this week, next week, even maybe the week after, we're going to see a lot of returns of Amazon merchandise. And what does that mean for you? That means the Amazon warehouse is going to have a bunch of deals because they're going to have an influx of inventory. So if you go to the menu bar on my website under the Amazon tab, we have search warehouse deals, we have warehouse deals by tool brand, and we have warehouse deals you can do for your specific vehicle. You put in what vehicle you have, and it'll show you what parts and accessories fit your vehicle. So in the next couple of weeks, be sure to pay attention to these because I think we're going to get some really good Amazon warehouse deals with all those additional returns that'll be coming in. First deal for this video that will be linked down below, we have the Crescent 4-inch adjustable cushion grip wrench. Everyone loves a cushion grip. Everyone knows more cushion for the pushin'. $6.99 currently on Amazon. If we look at the comparables, Home Depot is $12, Acme Tools is $12, and Tool Up is $17.20. So a nice name brand deal. Sticking with Crescent, we have the 7-inch curved jaw locking pliers with wire cutter. They are currently $7.87. That's price matching Lowe's. However, Lowe's will not give you free shipping at that price point. And Tool Up, which has them at $17.49. So a pretty big jump there. And both of these deals I found using my Struggleville tool deal search bar. So you can search by brand or specific product like ratchet, wrench, bit set, mechanic set, whatever search term you want to use. And both of those were found there. I should add the little link on this one as well. And we also found a bunch of other deals which will be coming up. Also, if you look in the sidebar, if you're on a mobile device, this loads at the very bottom of the page. We have the WorkPro aluminum spring clamp down to just $2.18. And then we also have the automatic adjustable Yee Tools wire stripping tool down to $7.21. Here's that page I was just mentioning, the Amazon Warehouse Tool Deals by brand. Now, if we go over to Lowe's, we have a MAP pricing deal. That's a minimum advertised price. DeWalt XR 20-volt max variable speed half-inch cordless impact wrench. It's a high torque. Comes with a 5 amp-hour battery. Can't read the label on that, but I'm guessing that's going to be the DCB 115, which will be a 4 amp output. Take a little over an hour for you to get a full charge on that 5 amp hour battery. So they have it down to $279 when you add it to your cart on the Lowe's website. Acme Tools has it for $349, Home Depot's $349, Tool Up is $349. So over $50 off on a really good impact over at Lowe's for when you really have to bust a nut. It goes with that cushion grip. Milwaukee M12 over at Home Depot. We're getting the high output 5 amp hour battery, and then we're getting the newer 2.5 amp hour battery, and you get the charger with that, but you also get a bare tool. Now, we posted this once before about a month ago, but a month ago the special buy price was $229, and now it's down to $199. So we get some extra savings. We still get those same free tool options, and those are some pretty good batteries to go with it. Definitely worth checking out what free tools are available there. So back to Lowe's, we have the DeWalt Extreme 2-tool 12-volt brushless drill impact driver with a free bare tool. And this is going to be $199. So you're getting two 2 amp hour batteries to go with it, obviously the charger. And if you're already in DeWalt's 20-volt lineup, they use the same charger for the 12 and the 20 volts, unless you have the big yellow fast charger. That isn't, but most of you don't have that, so it doesn't matter. $199 with the free bare tool. I kind of like the 12-volt lineup with DeWalt because it's so compact and tiny. They almost feel like toys, but I haven't managed to break one yet. But there's definitely some value in a lightweight, compact tool. Acme Tools has it for $149, so that's a pretty good deal. You're not getting the free, but if you don't see any free tools you like, getting the drill impact, the whole kit, for $149 is not too bad. Remember, you will add $6 for a shipping charge there. Tool Up's $189, no free tool, and then Tool Nut $199 with no free tool either. Here's a nice little deal as winter approaches because we're going to have dead batteries here in the north. Car battery tester 6, 12, 24 volt 3-in-1 professional battery tester automotive battery alternator, analyzer, up to 2,000 cold cranking amps, load cranking charging test. This is by OBD Resource, and it is 50% off, but Prime members also get an additional discount. If you're a Prime member, your discount starts at $48.99. So you'll take $48.99 and then cut that in half. You're paying $24, whereas non-Prime members are still going to be paying $30. 346-piece rotary tool accessory kit by Hardell. 1/8-inch diameter shanks, universal fitment. It is also 50% off. Comes in the handy dandy case. Love me a handy dandy case. Got to keep it organized. Boy, I spent the weekend doing some projects, and you know what? Wasn't organized. Took twice as long. Scratch that. Took 4 times as long, because I also recorded it for YouTube videos, and that takes forever. $28.99. 20% promo code, 30% coupon, $14.50. Going over to Walmart for a Hart tool deal. We got the 4-tool battery combo kit. You're getting 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, which is a pity, but at least it's only $146.41 for 4 tools. Now, one of those 4 is the light, which is meh, but you also get the drill, you get the impact driver, you're getting a reciprocating saw. Great travel set, great loaner set. Maybe leave it at someone else's house. If you happen to have someone else's house that you constantly have to do work at, and you're tired of bringing your tools back and forth, maybe nice to have an extra set to leave over there. Bosch wood router tool combo kit. I don't know how it's a combo kit specifically, other than the bases. 2 1/4 horsepower plunge router and fixed base router. Variable speed 12 amp. $169 currently on Amazon, $30 cheaper than everybody else. Home Depot, Lowe's, Acme Tools, all at $199. This one's kind of interesting. Love the tough system. Again, going back to storage. Love me some storage. 6-compartment small parts organizer. This is the 2-pack for $44.78 and free shipping. Now, the prices down below are all for individual cases. So Acme Tools would be $30 times that by 2 would be $60, and then you're paying the $6 shipping charge, so $66. Max Tool, same thing. Not going to be free shipping, but I don't know what their shipping cost is. Either way, it's going to be over $60. So $15 to $20 savings when you get the 2-pack at Home Depot. This one. We talked about this one before. I'm telling you guys, look, last video, maybe not the last, but one of the last videos, we talked about this deal. Within minutes, it was killed. Then several hours later, someone left a comment, oh, it's back! So I reposted it. Now I just checked it again. It's still there. Here on the page, it shows a $15 coupon. No, now it's an $18 coupon, so it got even better. They're all over the damn place with this. The point is, if you go to check this because you want it, and you should definitely want it, and there's any problem with it, come back in a couple hours. It's been bouncing all over the place. The electric power spin scrubber for DeWalt 20-volt batteries. We already talked about it once. We don't got to go too much into it. It uses DeWalt batteries. It scrubs. It's got a bunch of heads. 45% promo code. And a $18 coupon. So an amazing deal. Use your DeWalt batteries, and something that DeWalt themselves doesn't make. Crimping tool, heat shrink kit, crimping tool for electrical connectors by Dinazaki. 50% off, $31.99. How do you pronounce an X? 40% promo code and a 10% coupon. So cutting that in half, going to pay $16 for all the little connectors and the ratcheting crimper, which those are some nice crimpers. I love the ratcheting crimpers. 5-in-1 stud finder, wall scanner, intelligent microprocessor, LCD display by McGavin. 50% off, normally $23. Gonna be what, $11.50 after discount. Even get the 9-volt battery because they're hella guys over there. Yeah, that almost makes sense. Screwdriver set with case, 44-piece pocket kit, socket kit even, and precision multi-bit screwdriver. Too late to turn back now. With rotatable ratchet handles, extension bars by Blue Chalk. It's 50% off, normally $22, going to be $11. That goes through the 17th. Got the step bit by Mab Levy. 4 spiral flute cobalt step drill bit, 1/8 inch up to 1/2 inch wear resistant, 1/4 inch hex shank unibit. I actually kind of love step bits. They're not the most precise thing for those types of instances, but for instance, another project over the weekend, putting in the JL400 auxiliary switches in the Jeep, which was just posted on the second channel earlier this morning. If you're interested, check it out. Maybe I'll remember to link it down below, but that's unlikely. Had to drill a hole in the plastic, which, whew, brand new truck, only a couple thousand miles, and we're already drilling holes in the interior. I don't know. Worked out okay, I think. Anyway, use the step bit. Very happy with it. For those types of applications, they really are amazing. Work really well. So this one's $20, 50% off. It's only going to be $10. Here we have a 2-pack of electric arc lighters for candles. I think you could probably use them for other things as well. With LED battery display and a long flexible neck. I like to call it a gooseneck by An Eagle. It's 55% off. Now, the text link down there says that it ends at the end of today, the 16th. But also, when you click on that text link, there was a bunch of different options. There was different color options, but also you could get a single instead of the 2-pack, although the 2-pack was a better value. And if you haven't seen these things before, they're pretty neat. It's rechargeable. It's either going to be a USB-C or a micro USB. And there will be a little button here, and it just arcs across the two. And it's a wind resistant lighter. The first one of these I ever had, I put right in front of a desk fan, had it on full blast, and it still could create its arc across the two. So anyone who's tried to light a cigarette in the wind, which I have not tried to do, but I have seen others do thousands of times, this would probably be a lot easier. Also not too bad for lighting like a bonfire or something, although it's a little bit different technique because you don't have a flame shooting out. You have to break the arc there. Biggest thing about them is you got to make sure the little electrodes on the end stay clean. If you let them get all gummed up and nasty, they're going to quit working. So just keep it clean, folks, just like I do in my videos. Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner Car Engine Fault Code Reader. This is by Ansel, and it's 40% off. So it starts out at $25, but we do have a Prime member discount. I believe it brought it down to about $20. And then we have a 24% coupon on the page and a 20% promo code, taking 44% off. You're going to pay about $10. It's not going to be the most robust OBD2 scanner you'd ever see in your life, but it'll get to read the codes for you. It'll erase those codes, and it beats a trip to AutoZone to have them do it for you. Plastic Welder, 200-watt portable plastic welding kit, 2-in-1 handheld hot stapler, plastic repair, car bumper repair kit. It's interesting that they always advertise these as a car bumper repair kit. And although I assume that is a perfectly reasonable use for it, there are so many other things that you can use this for. Any kind of plastic cracks, get things back in working order. Comes with 1,000 of the staples. There's different types of staples. There's innies, there's outies, there's straighties, all sorts. $50.99, 40% off, goes through the 31st. I just did a video on, not this brand, I don't think. Boy, I should remember things like that. On either this channel or the other channel, and they work really well. They're really not that hard to get the hang of, although if you've never used one before, I would practice on something that you don't care about. That all being said, although I really like this deal, I'm going to have another deal coming up in a second video that you may like better. Yes, that is right. There will be a part 2, so stay tuned for part 2. But we still have another deal left in part 1. 2,000 lumen ultra bright floodlight flashlight high lumen rechargeable flashlight by CWX CZY. 65% off, starts out at $26. Look how neat this is. So you got the side button here, but then we also got this little LED panel on the side. We got the smooth reflector on this side. Says it's 2,000 lumens. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Who are we to tell? 65% off. Ends up being about $9. And if I didn't mention it previously, which I should have, I did check all the promo codes before starting this video, and everything's working right now. So that's 20 amazing deals. I'll have them all linked down below. And hopefully before the day is out, we'll have part 2. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.